Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate System.io with Paystack. This integration will allow you to accept payments through Paystack directly on your System.io pages, making it easier to process transactions from your customers. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to System.io. Once the page loads, log in using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your System.io dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online business. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen and you'll see your profile avatar. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options presented, select Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize various aspects of your System.io account. Once you're in the Settings area, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find a list of different configuration options. Click on Payment Gateways. This section is where you'll manage all your payment processing integrations, allowing you to connect different payment providers to your System.io account. In the Payment Gateways section, scroll down through the list of available payment providers until you find Paystack. Once you've located it, you'll notice a Connect button right beside it. Go ahead and click that Connect button. This action initiates the integration process between System.io and Paystack. A form will appear asking for your Paystack credentials. Here, you'll need to enter your secret access token. This token is what allows System.io to communicate securely with your Paystack account. You can obtain this token from your Paystack dashboard if you haven't already copied it. After entering your secret access token, you'll see a field labeled Account with a drop-down menu below it. Click on this drop-down menu to select the appropriate Paystack account you want to link. This is particularly useful if you manage multiple Paystack accounts and need to specify which one to use for this integration. Finally, once you've entered all the required information and selected your account, click the Save button. This will finalize the integration and establish the connection between System.io and Paystack. Your payment gateway is now ready to process transactions. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated Paystack with System.io, and you're now ready to start accepting payments through this gateway. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.